Hi and welcome to my channel. It's been I think slightly more than a month since I posted my last video on YouTube related to the Ubiq blockchain platform. But since then, there's actually a lot of things that happened. For instance, um, end of September, the Ubiq launched their first ERC 721 project. It's called nCeption. nCeption basically a project where it allows us to randomly generate numbers which will be stored on the chain. As described in the nCeption blog, it's basically a project which is inspired by the Loot project. So you can read up more about this from ubiqsmart.com website. So that's one of the project. The first project was launched in September. Uh, some new developments with regards to the Ubiq blockchain itself. I think this one started, I think, since end of August. The core developers have put forward proposals to make some changes to the Ubiq platform, so-called what we call as UIPs or Ubiq improvement proposals. So this has been discussed over in the Discord group and also has been posted in GitHub. So some of the key takeaways, some of the key UIPs, UIP 11 for instance, is to implement something similar to the Ethereum EIP 1559. So that's one. Proposals to reduce the target time for the blocks. Right now, Ubiq block time is 88 seconds, so there's a proposal to change that or reduce it to 22 seconds. UIP 13 proposes to change the block rewards. So after discussions over at Discord and also feedbacks that have been put forward by the members on GitHub, I believe the committee pretty much agreed to basically consolidate all these UIPs into a single UIP called UIP 16. Okay, so I believe the developers are already working on that one, and I hope to see UIP 16 implemented soon. So, in my personal opinion, I believe this UIP will I think improve the platform even further. Okay, and for tonight, I'm gonna talk about this new project that is supposed to be officially launched tomorrow. Okay, so what happens that 3 days ago over at the nCeption channel, okay, one thing, nCeption channels on the Ubiq Discord group is only accessible to those members who were involved in the or active or participated in the nCeption project. So you hold the NFTs, then you will be able to access, and you have to go through this verification process using the Swordybot. So this is another tool or new features that's launched on the Ubiq Discord group. So like myself, for instance, I've been verified and now I have access to the nCeption channels. And that's when I saw this announcement by Julian 3 days ago. So basically it's a sneak preview of this so-called new project called CHIMP. So what's CHIMP? So this CHIMP is actually the second ERC721 project launch on the Ubiq platform. CHIMP is, I believe, is short for the On-Chain Image Manipulation Program. So, in summary, basically allows us to basically create pixel art. So, basically, the CHIMP program allows us to create the 16 by 16 pixel block image and only uses 4 colors. And as of right now, the cost of minting one, I would say, pixel art on CHIMP is only 25 UBIC. So you can read up more about the CHIMP project again from the Ubiq uh, smart website. But I'm gonna go ahead and straight away do a demo on how you can play around with this new project. It's been quite addictive for me, at least for the past 3 days, playing around with this chimp. So to access the project, you have to go to their website. It's called chimp at ubsmart.com. So once you click to, it takes you to the chimp website. So as you can see, it's a very simple interface. You will see this square, which is basically the drawing board, and it actually consists of 16 by 16 pixel of blocks, and you only allowed to work with 4 colors at any time. So just to show, for instance, if you calculate this, you'll see that is 16 by 16. Okay, so and before I go ahead and create a pixel art, in order to use Chimp, you need to connect Chimp to your Ubiq wallet. So I'm using my Metamask. So let me just log into Metamask. Make sure that you are on your Ubiq chain, not Ethereum or Polygon. So let me. Okay, so I have 155 Ubiq in this particular wallet, and now I just click uh, connect wallet. Okay, so if you have successfully connect to your MetaMask or your wallet, then you see that you are now able to mint this pixel art. So I'm not going to just like okay, before I go ahead and I would say uh, draw one pixel art that I'm planning to do, just to show you around some of the I would say uh, buttons that are available on the interface. So as far as the color palette selection, you'll see that there are 4 boxes. The first box, the one on the left, is basically the color for the background. So you can see right now like it's blue. So if you want to change color, there are actually 2 buttons. This one you can't really see, but it actually looks like if you want to draw using your brush color palette, so you just click this one, you can see the options of the color that you can actually select. So for instance, if you want to change to black, so the whole background changes to black. Okay, so and then there's also another icon over here. It looks like a dice. Okay, but what that allows us you to do, if you just click, it will just randomly change the colors. So I believe maybe like if you are creating something and you do not you don't want to think what color to choose, and we just doing some abstract work. Um, just to draw is very simple. You just left click on your mouse anywhere on the square to put the whichever color that you want to put on the drawing board. And if you permanently press your left uh, uh, button on your mouse, then you can do like a straight line. So like I said just now, they have this dice icon, so you just like randomly change colors. So like I say, maybe if you don't to think about what color to choose, maybe you do some very abstract art, and then you just maybe take a real dice, maybe just roll it and see whatever numbers that you get, and then just maybe like if you say you roll the dice and you get number 3, maybe you click 3 times. And okay, so this is color. Maybe you throw the dice second time, you get number 6 for the second color. You click maybe 6 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So just to randomly change the colors. So and if you're not happy, you can just reset the whole thing and you just go back to blank. So I'm gonna mint one particular. I'm gonna mint one pixel art that I've been actually have drafted this earlier, but I'm actually gonna mint it live right now. So I'm gonna use color black. I need to use gray, a darker shade of gray, and then I need to use color red. Okay, so to start, so this is the art that I'm planning to. Okay, see if this works. I get this one right. So like I said, I've actually drew this earlier, but I didn't mint it. So I already have the draft um, pretty much in my head. So it's gonna be very quick. So you'll see what I'm gonna do. So let's with this one, and then this right. So this particular pixel art is, I would say, is inspired by my RX 470 GPU, which is currently running in my PC. Yep, that's it. So see, that's pretty quick. So now that I've completed drawing this pixel art, so the only thing I need to do right now is just need to mint it into the blockchain. So I'm just gonna click. Let me just double check. Don't make any errors. I'll make sure that my color selection is right. So there are some other shade of red. Yeah, that is this one. So everything else looks okay. So now I can just go ahead and mint. So immediately when I click mint, Metamask will prompt me to go ahead and confirm this transaction. So as you can see, the gas fee is only 0.003, and the cost for minting is 25 Ubiq. So in total it's 25.003 Ubiq. So let me just confirm it. And right now minting is in progress. Just to one point that I missed out to point out earlier, the 25 Ubiq that's using to mint this pixel art, it's not being paid to the developer or anything. This 25 Ubiq actually goes to a burner address. So it's similar to the nCeption project. So basically all these Ubiqs that's being used to mint this pixel art actually gets burned. Okay, so just wait a bit. Like I said, I believe with the new proposed reduction of block time, I believe the minting process will take less compared to right now. Right now, you have to kind of wait a bit for the whole thing, for the whole transaction to be completed. So okay, so there. So I've minted. I believe this is like the 16th piece of art that I've minted on this project. Like I said, it's kind of addictive. I've been playing around a lot since Wednesday, Friday. Okay, so now that you have minted your pixel art, okay, you can. The most important thing for you to do is to make sure that you remember your pixel art number. They call it token ID. So in this case, it's number 47. So you have to remember this, because if you want to retrieve your pixel art again, you need to remember your your token ID. So in my case, it's 47. So the pixel art itself, you can save it as because it's actually in the SVG format. Okay, so that's the actual original format. So like I said, uh, and if you want to retrieve the token again, you can go to the Ubiq NFT Utility website. So this is the one, like I said. Again, I have to connect to my Metamask. Now that's connected, so I just need to select the custom contract address, either inception or CHIMP, like for CHIMP, and then like I said, it's now my token ID for that particular pixel art that I made. Just made is 47, so I just key in 47 and just click display, and yep. So now I can retrieve. So I think one of the pixel art that I created, I think my is number 11, I believe. Yeah, yeah. So this is my another pixel art that I created. Um, so yeah, so that's about it. So it's very simple, and it's fun to play around with chimp. If you don't have any Ubiq, so I do suggest that you go and get some Ubiq. Either you buy Ubiq from one of the exchanges like Bittrex or Place or Dove Wallet, or in my opinion, one of the easiest way for you to get Ubiq besides mining, you can also buy Polygon Matic. I think Polygon Matic you can buy them on a lot more of the exchanges, and then you can convert the Polygon Matic to Ubiq. So to do that, I already have a video posted on YouTube. I'll put up the link over here on how you can convert your Matic to Ubiq. So that's about it. So happy minting 16 by 16 pixel art on Chimp. Until next time, bye.